Perched in the heart of Los Angeles, the Modern Bungalow stands as a testament to thoughtful design and the harmonious integration of architecture with nature. The residence, once a conventional single-family home, has been meticulously renovated under the visionary guidance of Mark Motonaga, a homeowner and creative director at RIOS. His vision was to create a sanctuary that not only honors the original scale of the property, but also represents a natural evolution into a contemporary space, all while fostering a profound connection to the surrounding landscape. Inside, the home is a study in refined simplicity, with every element carefully curated to create a space that feels both safe and joyous. The main rooms, the kitchen, dining, and living areas are oriented to capture views of the garden, where natural light pours in, casting a gentle glow throughout the day. The interior design, marked by a palette of emotive colors, mirrors the changing tones of nature. Deep teal in the living areas evokes the cool, calming presence of water, while the primary bedroom's peony pink, accented by warm yellow lighting, offers a comforting embrace. Each space is designed to uplift the spirit, with the colors shifting subtly as the sun arcs across the sky, creating an ever-changing atmosphere. The backyard, with its pool designed to emulate a natural pond, is a tranquil retreat. Foliage spills over the edge, blurring the lines between the garden and the water, creating a seamless transition that invites relaxation and contemplation. This outdoor space, like the rest of the home, embodies the essence of Modern Bungalow, a place where simplicity meets sophistication, where the design is not just about aesthetics, but about enhancing the experience of living. Through this thoughtful renovation, RIOS has not only redefined the traditional bungalow, but also created a haven that perfectly suits the demands of a busy Californian lifestyle while offering a deep connection to the natural world. From the moment one approaches the two large, gray doors, the unique character of the home is palpable. The entrance leads to a side courtyard that acts as an intermediary between the bustling world outside and the serene refuge within. This courtyard, more than just a passageway, serves as a warm, inviting foyer that offers visitors a choice. Continue on to the lush backyard or step inside to explore the main living spaces. The layout defies traditional bungalow design by situating the living spaces at the rear of the house, creating an unexpected yet delightful contrast to the typical Los Angeles home. This thoughtful inversion not only maximizes privacy, but also enhances the connection between indoor and outdoor environments, with the garden becoming an integral part of daily life.